Rasta man is higher man. Oh, through the valley soft and clear, voice of wind we always hear. Every whisper bold and true, voice of wisdom shining through. Babylon wall may block the ground, voice of wind still spread the sound. Every breeze a melody, voice of mercy set us free. Traveler stop and lift his head, voice of wind is what he said. Every current guide the way, voice of love begin to play. Storm may come and thunder roar, voice of peace remain in store. Every note of prophecy, voice of truth eternity. Elders sit upon the stone, voice of wind still make it known. Every story carried far, voice of mercy heal the scar. Children dance within the field, voice of hope the earth revealed. Every whisper bold and right, voice of Zion shine the light. Poet hear the sacred tone, voice of wind is not his own. Every line and every rhyme, voice of wisdom cross the time. Babylon fortress cannot stay, voice of truth will sweep away. Every echo strong and free, voice of mercy victory. Morning rise, the breeze so sweet, voice of wind at Zion feet. Every nation hear the call, voice of peace embrace us all. Even mountain bow to sound, voice of love shake the ground. Everlasting, pure and new, voice of justice shining through. Generation sing along, voice of wind compose the song. Every culture, every land, voice of mercy hand in hand. No corruption twist the tone, voice of truth forever shown. Every whisper bold and true, voice of Zion shine for you. Never ending, never small, voice of wind embrace us all. Sacred current strong and free, voice of love eternity. Glorious anthem pure and high, voice of mercy fill the sky. Everlasting, bold and new, voice of Zion carry through. Blow, blow, strong and wide, voice of wind remove the pride. Sing, sing, melody, voice of love eternity. Voice of wind, bold and true, carry your message for me and you. Never fading, never fall, voice of mercy guide us all. Forever blowing, strong and free, voice of truth eternity. Sacred anthem, pure and new, voice of Zion shining true.
God bless the people, your man.
every glimmer, bold and true. Star reveal what man must do. Babylon shadows try to hide. Star of justice still will guide. Shining bright with holy flame. Star exalt the righteous name. Pilgrim look and find the way. Star of justice light the day. Every road so dark before. Star of mercy open door. No oppression cloud the view. Star of truth forever new. Every gleam of prophecy. Star of justice set we free. Ooh. Elder point to heaven's eye. Star of justice fill the sky. Children learn from light above. Star remind them Jah is love. Even stranger lost and blind. Star of mercy help them find. Every sparkle pure and bright. Star of peace guide through the night. Warrior lead the weapon down. Star of justice take the crown. Every battle soon will cease. Star of mercy shine in peace. Babylon fortress fade away. Star of truth reveal the day. Every nation come to see. Star of justice victory. Whoa, hey. Teachers speak with wisdom clear. Star of justice draw us near. Every lesson strong and right. Star of Zion give the sight. No more hatred, no more pain. Star of peace forever reign. Every glow a holy sign. Star of justice still divine. Morning come, the light still strong. Star of justice sing the song. Generations lift them hand. Star of truth across the land. Everlasting, never fall. Star of mercy guide us all. Sacred fire, bold and free. Star of justice victory. Eternal beacon shining bright. Star of justice rule the night. Never fading, never gone. Star of Zion still live on. Glorious flame forever pure. Star of truth will still endure. Everlasting, bold and free. Star of justice shine for me. Shine, shine, bright and clear. Star of justice draw us near. Rise, rise, holy flame. Star of truth exalt your name. Star of justice, bold and bright. Guide the people through the night. Never fading, never fall. Star of mercy shine for all. Forever glowing, strong and free. Star of justice victory. Sacred fire, pure and true. Star of Zion light for you.
Zion medicine, reggae, yeah, man. Oh, yeah.
pushing on me long, brother. Beat the drum, the heartbeat sound. Drums of Zion shake the ground. Every nation hear the call. Drums of joy unite them all. Not in weapon, not in gun, but in drum the victory won. Every rhythm, every tone. Drums connect the flesh and bone. Children gather, circle round. Drums of nation shake the town. Elder chant, young ones dance. Drums of Zion give a chance. No division, no more fight. Drums of Zion bring the light. From the east and to the west, drums proclaim the righteous best. Africa call, Jamaica sing. Drums of nations echo ring. India, Asia, island shore. Drums of Zion evermore. Every people, every tribe. Drums of Zion keep alive. Not a border, not a wall. Drums of Zion break them all. Night and fire, morning sun. Drums of nations beat as one. Every echo, every sound. Drums of Zion still resound. Babylon system can't withstand. Drums beat strong by Jahan. Generation after time, drums still chant the sacred rhyme. Spirit lift, me soul arise. Drums of Zion fill the skies. Every step become a prayer. Drums remind your people care. From creation till today, drums of nations guide the way. Everlasting, pure and free. Drums of Zion unity. Beat, beat, drum of fire. Lift the people higher and higher. Drums of nations beat along. Carry Zion holy song. Drums of nations loud and strong. Unite the people all along. Every heartbeat, every tone. Drums of Zion call we home. Forever beating true and free. Drums of Zion unity. No, 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 Zion reggae, yeah, man. Flowing pure from Zion Hill. River run by Jaja will. Cool the land, refresh the heart. Wash away the wicked part. Every wave a blessing send. Every stream a truth to men. River of Jah never dry. Carry peace as it pass by. River of Jah love, deep and wide. Wash the soul from pain inside. Flow through valley, climb the plain. Bring the joy through sun and rain. It touch the root, it feed the tree. It set the hungry spirit free. It call the thirsty, come and take. Drink the water Jah create. From holy spring to ocean deep. River run while prophets sleep. No stone, no dam can hold the flow. River of Jah forever go. It healed the wounds of war and hate. It opened up the Zion gate. It carries song from shore to shore, sing of love forevermore. It washed the chain from hand and mind, leave the truth and peace behind. Every ripple tell the tale of how Jah love will never fail. Me walk along the riverside, hear the water prophesy. It say hold firm, don't lose the fight, keep the faith in Jah's true light. It teach the youth to share and care, to guard the earth and keep it fair. River run with righteous plan, flow for every woman, man. When the moon reflects so bright, river glow in Jah light. From dawn again till evening fade, river sing what Jah has made. It never cease, it never bend. River run from start to end, carry blessing from above. River of eternal love, flow high, flow far, carry Jah true to who we are. From spring to sea, from rain to tide, river of love will ever guide. No wall, no fear can make it stop. River of Jah overflow drop. River of Jah love, deep and wide, wash the soul from pain inside. Flow through valley, climb the plain, bring the joy through sun and rain. From mountain crown to ocean floor, river of Jah forever pour. River of Jah love, breathe and life, wash the soul from pain inside. Na 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 na, Zion reggae. Na 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 na, Zion reggae. Bloom so bright in morning dew, garden grow with life anew. Every flower above and earth below. Zion garden ever grow. From first dawn to endless time, sacred garden stay divine. Love and peace forever stand. Garden grow in every land. Bloom high, bloom wide. Zion garden never hide. From soil to sky, from root to leaf, garden bring just soul relief. Garden of Zion, pure and fair, Jah creation everywhere. Fruit of wisdom, leaf of grace, holy ground, a sacred place. From seed to flower, branch to sun, garden of Jah will never done. Upon me head, Jah crown of fire. Zion give me soul desire. It shine eternal, blaze so high. Zion crown light the sky. No man steal it, no man take. Zion crown Jah alone make. Forever shining, pure and true. Zion crown for I and you. Zion crown so bright, shine with love and holy light. Every blessing, every flame, Zion crown
of the sweat, guy, man. In a Zion grow the tree, roots of love eternally. It stretched to heaven, touch the sky. Zion tree will never die. Branches strong, branches wide. Zion tree forever guide. Eternal growing, pure and free. Zion tree protect me. Zion tree, roots so deep. Shade the humble, shade the sheep. Fruit of love and fruit of peace. Zion tree brings sweet release. It bless the children, bless the meek. Zion tree all people seek. Forever holy, never fall. Zion tree fi one and all. It stand through storm, it stand through flame. Zion tree exalt your name. Eternal branches strong and tall. Zion tree protect we all. Me sit beneath the holy shade. Zion tree Jah hand has made. It give me comfort, give me rest. Zion tree Jah truly blessed. Forever growing, never cease. Zion tree bring Jah peace. From mountain high to valley low. Zion tree forever grow. No Babylon can cut it down. Zion tree wear holy crown. It grow eternal, never dry. Zion tree reach to the sky. Forever fruitful, strong and free. Zion tree eternity. Holy shelter, pure and true. Zion tree for me and you. When the trumpet sound again, Zion tree still remain. Forever standing, never gone. Zion tree forever strong. It called the nations, called them near. Zion tree forever here. Holy growing, pure and free. Zion tree eternity, grow strong, grow wide. Zion tree forever guide. No chain, no axe can cut away. Zion tree forever stay. Zion tree, roots so deep. Shade the humble, shade the sheep. Fruit of love and fruit of peace. Zion tree brings sweet release. From age to age, from day to night. Zion tree forever light. Aye, Zion reggae, I'm on. At Zion's gate, the righteous stand. Just stretch forth his holy hand. It open wide, it open true. Zion's gate for me and you. No Babylon can bar the way. Zion's gate forever stay. Eternal entrance, pure and strong. Zion's gate, a holy song. Zion's gate, open wide. Jah forever be me guide. Through the doorway, light shall flow. Zion's gate, we all shall go. humble, welcome meek. Zion's gates, all people seek. Forever open, never close. Zion's gates, Jah love disclose. It shine with gold, it shine with flame. Zion's gates, exalt Jah name. Eternal pathway, bright and free. Zion's gates, for you and me. Me walk the road, me hear the call. Zion's gates, for one and all. No man denied, no chain can bind. Zion's gates, for all mankind. Forever holy, never still. Zion's gates, Jah holy will. From mountain high to valley low. Zion's gates, the path we know. It guide the nations, guide the earth. Zion's gates of holy birth. Forever shining, never dim. Zion's gates, eternal hymn. It welcome child, it welcome all. Zion's gates, more bright than gold. Eternal open, strong and tall. Zion's gates, for one and all. When the trumpet sound again, Zion's gates still remain. It open wide, it never cease. Zion's gates, eternal peace. Forever shining, pure and true. Zion's gates, for me and you. Holy entrance, flame of light. Zion's gate, forever bright. Step in, step through. Zion's gate, forever new. No bar, no lock can stop the way. Zion's gate, forever stay. Zion's gate, open wide. Jah forever be me guide. Through the doorway, light shall flow. Zion's gate, we all shall go. From age to age, from night to day. Zion's gate, the righteous way.
Na 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 na. Jah bless the people, yo man. Yeah. Me rise before the sun, silence in the air. Wrap me dread, wash me face, chant a little prayer. Ganja leaf in a hand, heart in a calm. Me step in a nature, far from harm. Birds a sing, breeze a blow. Me sit on rock where cool rivers flow. Me burn one, give thanks to Jah. For life, for breath, for every star.
Secret fire,
Blaze it high, chant down illusion, reach the sky. Sacred fire, burn them light. Truth arise and Babylon cry. Sacred fire, cleanse the soul. In a Zion flame we feel whole. Me listen deep to me heartbeat drum. Ancient call from where me roots come from. Me not chase gold, me not chase fame. Me chase wisdom, real Rasta aim. Meditation, deep like sea. Mystic rhythm running through me tree. Smoke curl like spiral sign. Me vision bright, me soul aligned. Oh Jah, guide me step from concrete stress to mountain depth. Me in
hands on heart, her spirit glows. Together we chant, together we feel that real love, that Rasta seal. Children gather, elders we beat the drum till Babylon done. Sacred flame in every song, we burn illusion, we stay strong. This fire no burn skin, it burns sin, ego and lie within. It show you who you are, from earth to star, from near to far. Sacred fire, carry we home. In a Zion, we freely roam. Smoke rise, mind clear. One love, one life, Jah always near. Smoke with Zion, Raga, yeah, man. In the garden, tall and wide, sacred tree of Zion high, roots so deep in holy ground, branches spread for miles around. Every leaf a story tell, sacred tree remember well. Babylon fire can't consume, sacred tree forever bloom. Children play beneath the shade, sacred tree where peace is made. Elders sit and chant a song, sacred tree keep people strong. Not in palace, not in throne, sacred tree forever known. Every fruit a gift from Jah, sacred tree uphold the law. Birds a sing upon the limb, sacred tree a righteous aim. River flow beside the root, sacred tree bear holy fruit. Generations come and go, sacred tree still grow and grow. Never bending, never gone, sacred tree keep carrying on. Still the tree of Zion cling, not of timber, not of gold. Sacred tree the prophet stole. Every shade a place of rest, sacred tree protect the blessed. Babylon plan can't destroy, sacred tree bring joy. Children climb and mothers pray, sacred tree show righteous way. Fathers chant and nations bow, sacred tree forever now. From creation till today, sacred tree guide everywhere.
Raga King, yeah, man. Endless tide upon the shore, ocean whisper ancient lore. Every wave a sacred song, ocean chant the whole day long. Babylon ships may rise and fall, ocean still embrace them all. Deep and boundless, bold and free, ocean teach eternity. Fisherman cast net so wide, ocean bless the daily tide. Every creature great and small, ocean care for one and all. Stormy rage and thunder roar, ocean calm the soul once more. Every drop a holy sign, ocean carry love divine. Elders sit beside the sea, ocean sing of prophecy. From creation first of days, ocean flow in righteous ways. Even stranger lost and weak, ocean guide the truth them seek. Every current strong and clear, ocean wash away the fear. Child of Zion build a boat, ocean help it stay afloat. Every journey, every mile, ocean blessed with holy style. No corruption bend the tide, ocean hold the truth inside. Every ripple pure and true, ocean sing for me and you. In Sunday line, ocean make the words divine. Every verse a melody, ocean eternity. Morning light reflects so bright, ocean blaze with Jaja light. Everlasting, bold and free, ocean hold the mystery. Babylon walls may try divide, ocean still forever wide. Generation rise and pray, ocean guide them every day. No more hunger, no more war, ocean bless the world once more. Sacred water strong and deep, ocean never fall asleep. From the mountain to the coast, ocean guard the Holy Ghost. Never ending, never small, ocean rise above it all. Everlasting, pure and true, ocean flow for me and you. Boundless mercy shining bright, ocean glow in Zion light. Flow, flow, deep and strong, ocean sing the righteous song. Rise, rise, mighty flame, ocean glorify your name. Ocean of wisdom, vast and free, carry the people to destiny. Never ending, never fall, ocean open for one and all. Forever shining, bold and pure, ocean truth will still endure. Sacred water, strong and wide, ocean wash the foolish pride.
Zion roots, Zion roots. Oh, Zion roots. Oh, yes, Zion roots. Oh, hey. Them lock we up in mental jail. Them feed with fast food and fairy tale. Them sell we fair like market fruit, while we forget the ancient root. Me see the youth, them hypnotized by screen and sound and sweet disguise. But me not blind, me still a feel the system fake, me spirit real. Me wake up in a Babylon dream, where everything bright but nothing clean. Them bleach the truth, them twist the name, them point the finger, shift the blame. But me nah bow, me nah retreat. Me walk with lion in the street. Me hold me head through storm and flame. Me soul too high, fi play them game. Iron chains, golden souls, them can't touch what Jah control. Though we walk through fire and stone, we rise as kings from dust and bone. Me chant for the voiceless, chant for the poor. Me knock on consciousness door. So hear the drum and free your roll. Break the chains and claim your soul. Me see them love, control and badge. Them drive them ego like a mad carriage judge. Them build high towers, plastic throne, but still them scared to be alone. Me say me nah need diamond ring. Me value life, not what bling bring. Me rather sleep on dirt and straw than praise a king with bloody law. Me granny tell me truth in song. The wicked reign, but not for long. Me take them words like sacred book and plant it deep in every book. Them colonize the past and now, but we they are still and we know how. Me use me roots like warrior blade. Me lyrics sharp, me message brave. And when me rising at the early light, me give thanks for breath and vision right. Me see Jah hand in everything, from river flow to bird wing. Them label we as rebel soul, but a freedom fire we control. Me nas a puppet, me nas a doll, me soul a thunder, hear it roll. Iron chains, golden souls, them can't touch what.
Smoking chalice in the jungle, yeah man. Barefoot me step on red earth clay. Me feel the pulse from a ancient day. Drum a beat like thunder roll, echo deep down in a me soul. Me eye closed but me see clear, spirit calling from far and near. Me nah need no plan, no map. Jah rhythm guide me step by step. Heart beat inna the drum, me say, calling all soul fi come, me say. Dancing round this sacred fire, lift your spirit, take ya higher. Boom boom, boom boom, it nah lie. It a the truth we can't deny. From Zion plain to African coast, we chant for life, we chant for growth. Me see me sister spin with breeze, her foot them talk like them at ease. Me brother chant them ancient word, no page, no book, just spirit heard. We now wear chain, we wear crown, Rasta robe in a rootsy gown. Me spirit rise like morning sun. When me feel the rhythm, me and it become one. Me say, who hear the drum? We hear the drum. Who ready for dance? We ready for dance. Who carry light? We carry light. Who walk with Jah? We walk with Jah. Heartbeat inna the drum, me say. Rhythm beat strong like lion breath. Tide of spirit, wave of sound. Lift we up and spin we round. find me root. Me dance barefoot, me pick wild fruit. The rhythm now come from speaker box. It rise from stone, from wind, from rocks. Every beat a memory bond from when me ancestors did one. Stay true to your heart and breath. Drum will guide you upon life and death. Boom, 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 me feel it strong. The drum still beat though the night is long. Circle tight, we nah go stray. We follow the drum till break of day.
Aye, aye, aye. Kaya Cushion Zion Reggae, yeah, man. In the garden, strong and tall, tree of life embrace us all. Roots so deep in holy ground, tree of wisdom all around. Babylon axe may try to fall, tree of life still stand for all. Every leaf a sacred flame, tree exalt the holy name. Elders sit beneath the shade, tree of life where prayer is made. Every story old and true, tree of knowledge shine anew. Child of morning, laugh and play, tree of love protect the day. Every branch a melody, tree of mercy set us free. So sweet for every hand, tree of life bless all the land. No more hunger, no more pain, tree of truth forever reign. Bird them build a nest so high, tree of peace embrace the sky. Every blossom bold and bright, tree of Zion hold the light. Poet right beneath the bow, tree of life inspire now. Every line a sacred song, tree of love keep moving strong. No corruption break the wood, tree of mercy always good. Everlasting pure and free, tree of justice victory. Generations sit and rest, tree of life provide the best. Every season come and go, tree of mercy still will grow. Storm may rage and winds may roar, tree of truth forevermore. Sacred pillar bold and strong, tree of Zion sing the song. Upon the leaves, tree of life no man deceives. Every shade a holy sign, tree of justice still divine. Even stranger we can't tire, tree of love make them inspire. Every root a prophecy, tree of peace eternity. Never fading, never small, us all. Sacred tower tall and free, tree of mercy victory. Glorious flame in every part, tree of Zion heal the heart. Everlasting bold and true, tree of life in me and you. Grow, grow, strong and high, tree of mercy touch the sky. Stand, stand, bold and free, tree of love eternity. Tree of life, sacred flame, glorified the holy name. Never breaking, never fall, tree of mercy shade us all. Forever blooming, strong and pure, tree of justice will endure. Roots eternal. nation bold and free, tree of Zion victory.
Rasta man so high. Echo deep from mountain cave, voice of ancient, strong and brave. Tell the story, chant this song, guide the people all along. Every word a root so deep, every call a vow to keep. Voice of Zion, pure and wise, speak the truth, no man denies. Voice of the ancients, loud and clear, call the children far and near. Teach the way from time before. Open wide Jah wisdom door. It whisper in the wind at night, tell the seeker walk in light. It speak through drum, it speak through fire. Lift the spirit, make it higher. From desert sand to ocean wide, voice of Jah will always guide. No silence hold, no power chain. Ancient voice forever reign. It tell the youth respect the land, hold the silent righteous hand. It guide the elder to recall lessons given to us all. It teach the people unity, live in love and harmony. No hatred stand, no greed survive. When ancient wisdom come alive, me hear it call from forest green, in vision clear, in holy dream. It say